Imagine a mysterious object traveling over 200,000 kilometers per hour. It's not from our solar system. It's not following any known orbital path. And this September, it's getting dangerously close to the sun. NASA is watching closely. Could this be just another comet? Or is it something far more unusual? In this video, we explore 3 I/ATLAS, the third confirmed interstellar object to ever enter our solar system, and why its arrival is sending ripples through the scientific world. So, what exactly is 3 I/ATLAS? It's not just a comet. It's what scientists call an interstellar object, meaning it came from outside our solar system. First spotted on July 1st, 2025, by NASA's Atlas Survey telescope in Chile, this mysterious traveler was quickly flagged for its unusual trajectory. A hyperbolic orbit, a path that doesn't loop around the sun like planets or typical comets, but instead passes through and keeps going, forever leaving the solar system behind. That's the first clue that 3 I/ATLAS is not like most space rocks. It's only the third object of its kind ever detected, after ʻOumuamua in 2017 and 2 I/Borisov in 2019. But this one is different. Unlike ʻOumuamua, which was oddly shaped and didn't emit gas or dust, 3 I/ATLAS has a visible coma, a cloud of gas and dust, just like a comet, and it's growing as it approaches the sun. It's big, fast, and full of strange materials, and scientists believe it may be one of the oldest and most pristine objects ever observed, possibly formed in another star system billions of years ago. From the moment 3 I/ATLAS was detected, NASA and observatories around the world took immediate notice. Why? Because interstellar visitors are extremely rare, and they often bring more questions than answers. But there's something even stranger about this one. Unlike typical comets that originate from our own Oort cloud or Kuiper belt, 3 I/ATLAS is coming in at an unusually steep angle, and at hyperspeed. It's moving at nearly 209,000 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest objects we've ever tracked in space. And its orbit, instead of being a long ellipse like planets, is hyperbolic, meaning it's just passing through once. That tells scientists, this object is not from here, it's not coming back, and it may hold clues about planet formation and cosmic chemistry from other star systems. But beyond the science, there's curiosity and a bit of concern. Some of the materials detected in its coma, like high levels of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, don't match most comets we've seen. Plus, its light behaves strangely under polarized filters, raising even more eyebrows. That's why NASA has mobilized multiple telescopes and instruments, hoping to learn as much as possible before 3 I/ATLAS disappears into the void. So what happens when a fast-moving object from deep space meets the intense heat of our sun? As 3 I/ATLAS races closer, the temperature around it will skyrocket. Icy materials buried inside the object will begin to vaporize, releasing clouds of gas and dust into space. This process creates what's called a coma, a glowing cloud that surrounds the object's core, and possibly even a tail, like a classic comet. Scientists are hoping that by observing this activity up close, they can analyze the chemical composition of materials that may have never been exposed to sunlight before. This could give us a rare glimpse into the building blocks of distant solar systems. But don't worry. 3 I/ATLAS is not going to crash into the sun. Its closest approach, called perihelion, will happen around late October, at a distance of about 1.4 astronomical units from the Sun. That's still farther than Earth's orbit. So, no apocalypse. But as it heats up, breaks apart, or possibly even explodes, we'll get a front-row seat to a cosmic event billions of years in the making. Here's where things get weird. While most scientists agree that 3I/ATLAS is likely a natural object, a frozen chunk of gas, ice, and dust from another star system, not everyone is convinced. One of the most well-known voices challenging the mainstream is Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb. He famously argued that ʻOumuamua, the first interstellar object ever discovered, might have been an alien probe. Now, Loeb and others are paying close attention to 3I/ATLAS. Why? Because some of its behaviors are strange. For example, the way its light reflects under polarization is highly unusual, even deeper in the negative than any comet we've ever seen. The materials detected in its coma don't quite match what's typical for icy bodies, and its speed, trajectory, and chemical activity are borderline anomalous. All of this opens the door to speculation. Could this be a piece of alien technology drifting through space? Could it be a derelict probe from a long-dead civilization? Or maybe even a cosmic message in disguise? Of course, most scientists urge caution. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. But here's the thing. We don't get many chances to study interstellar visitors, let alone ones that behave differently from anything we've seen. And whether it's natural or artificial, 3I/ATLAS is forcing us to ask bigger questions about our place in the universe. While the alien theories grab headlines, most scientists remain grounded in data. According to NASA and leading astronomers, 3I/ATLAS shows clear signs of being a natural object, likely a comet formed in another solar system billions of years ago. Its activity, the coma, the tail, the gas emissions, all align with what we'd expect from a highly volatile comet nearing a star. The odd light polarization could be explained by unique dust particle sizes or materials we haven't often seen in our solar system. In other words, yes, it's strange, but not necessarily unnatural. Researchers from observatories around the world are continuing to monitor 3I/ATLAS using spectroscopy, radar, and even AI-powered modeling. Every bit of data helps us better understand not just this object, but the formation of planetary systems beyond our own. So while the mysteries are real, so is the science. And science says 3I/ATLAS is rare, ancient, and fascinating, but most likely completely natural. After its close approach to the Sun in late September and early October, 3I/ATLAS will continue its journey outward. Because of its hyperbolic trajectory, it's not in orbit around the Sun. It's simply passing through, a one-time visitor. Over the following months, it will fade from view, growing dimmer as it moves farther and farther into deep space. Unless it breaks apart or disintegrates near perihelion, 3I/ATLAS will eventually leave the solar system entirely, never to return. But the data we gather during its brief appearance will stay with us, possibly for decades. Observatories across the globe are racing to capture every detail, from its chemical signatures to its light curves and motion across the sky. Some scientists even suggest that studying interstellar objects like 3I/ATLAS might prepare us for future missions, maybe even one day intercepting a visitor like this before it leaves. For now, 3I/ATLAS reminds us how vast and dynamic our universe really is, and how rare it is to glimpse something from another star system with our own eyes. So let's recap. 3I/ATLAS, a high-speed interstellar visitor, is approaching the Sun this September. It's only the third object of its kind ever seen, and it's already challenging what we thought we knew about comets, space travel, and maybe even intelligent life. Is it a natural relic from a distant star system? Or is it something more? NASA is watching closely. Telescopes around the world are racing to capture every moment. And for the rest of us, this is a rare opportunity to witness a cosmic traveler from the unknown, a glimpse into the vast mystery of the universe. What do you think 3I/ATLAS really is? Drop your thoughts, theories, or wildest guesses in the comments below. We read everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, share it with a space-loving friend, and subscribe to the channel for more strange and fascinating journeys through space and time. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.